What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Caden Gursky YouTube channel. Last week we went down to Virginia Beach, caught a bunch of speckled trout, but the size. I'm gonna roll those clips right now. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Caden Gursky YouTube channel. We are out in Broad Bay, about to get on some speckled trout, hopefully. My friend Finn is with me, Mr. McFishy on YouTube. But yeah, I think we're gonna go see if we can get on some speckled trouts and kind of go see what goes from there. Last weekend he was down here, he caught quite a few, so we're gonna go try some spots. It's pretty calm, a little choppy right now, but other than that, the wind's not horrible. It's supposed to be a pretty good day considering it is early November. Let's get right into it. So I think we're gonna start the day out by trolling a little bit. I got this Z-Man paddle tail with about a 1/8 ounce jig head. Just that little shad type color. Just gonna give it a little toss and see what happens. See if we can troll for some trout while we're on the way to the spot. All right, wasn't recording, but that's a better one.
It's probably like 13.
Yeah, we'll measure them just cause.
Oh, I had one. Yeah, they're here still, bro.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
They really got the popping corks out.
All right, let me stick this back in the water.
Oh, I hate risking.
I mean, what sizers keep?
14.
Yeah, it's a 12-incher. So. Holy crap. Finn, I'm hooked. Yeah, it's tiny, man. Actually, this one's a little better. They're really liking this troll. I'll give him a measure. Yeah, only 12-incher. Bunch of 12-inchers, but. Oh no, it's the way he hit it. He absolutely drilled it. Little guy. Look at the teeth on these guys. He's already lost this one front tooth. There's like 2 fangs. It's kind of gnarly, but yeah. They weren't very big, so we're gonna go down. The water temp dropped at least 10 degrees since we've been down there, so we're gonna make a trip down there. Probably show up around 11 today, get on the water, try to get on some bigger speckled trout. We only caught 2 keepers last time and I didn't catch any of them, so I'm really hungry to get on some bigger fish. Super pumped. See you guys there. How big?
Feels pretty good.
Oh, there's a school in front of you. You spooked one. Big, 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 big. Probably. Oh my goodness. Keep him pinned. Oh, big red, big red, big red. Oh my gosh, huge, huge. Woo! Big red. Big red. Dude, pretty big. Oh, he's still got a lot in him. Stay out of the rudder. Stay pinned. Big red. Oh my goodness. Get in the net, get in the net. Let's go! Let's freaking go, dude. Oh, fat, juicy red. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Pinned, corner of the mouth, on the trout gear. He gave me the fight of a lifetime on that setup. Oh my goodness. Oh! Probably. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that fish, y'all? Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Gorgeous color this time of year. All right, let's get a measurement of this guy. He's definitely going to be pretty big for. I don't think he'll be keeping. Oh, that paddle tail. Look up if 26 is the limit, because he's just over 26, 27. Look it up for me. I want a picture too. Yeah, he's just 27.
24, 26.
Yeah. All right.
It's a redfish.
Well done. Let me get a better grip on this guy. Swam right off, dude.
Hey, he got caught on sissy tackle too.
Dude, that was peeling drag.
I saw it.
Dude, that rod was pissed.
We gotta get some slots, bro.
Dude, on the little 3-inch Z-Man,
I'm telling you, bro.
it's absolutely 20-pound leader Shimano Stratic with a TFO professional medium rod. You see that jump? So yeah, dude, that's probably my best fish in a while, dude. Super pumped to get on something that big. I mean, I tossed it right in the corner and he drilled it. So, dude, that's awesome. Huge red. So, lots more fishing to go. We came here not just to catch big fish, but to also try to get some keepers. So let's see if we can get on a keeper, bro. So, didn't get it on camera. Absolutely choked it. Yeah. Yeah.
Probably like 13.
He choked it, dude. Dude, he had this thing ingested. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, Mikey.
Yeah, there's a spot up here to the left that
Key, this would be a good place to pee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go pee up in this corner.
Yep, 13. Fat 13 though. Got something?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, hold on. Dude, you gotta keep them tight. Keep them tight. It's tighten up your drag. Tighten up your drag. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. A little bit more. I'm coming to give you a net job. Keep it tight. Keep them tight. Oh, yeah. Hey, come here, come here, come here. It's like striper, I think. Striper, yeah. There you go.
Alright, come here.
There, open your bail.
What?
Open your bail. Yep. Perfect. All right, I'm coming to you.
Man.
Dude, awesome, bro.
There we go. Needed that.
Of course, Gideon will catch the striper. Look at that, man.
Is that like rare to catch?
Oh, I've never caught one in the salt. Dude, that's sick.
You still recording?
Yeah.
What's up, chat? Welcome back to my... He's decent.
You want him?
To keep? Yeah.
I'm gonna see what size it to be.
I can look it up real quick.
Look how pretty it is. I mean, I feel like the camera's doing it really good justice right now. It is just so pretty out here. Be out here catching some fish. We're just so blessed. So blessed. Blessed that Gideon got to catch one. And a striper at that. I was not on my bingo card, I'll tell you that much. Feel bad for losing it for him, but he's a trooper for sure. He's been fighting all day for that fish. Fighting all day for that fish. More than really me and Finn, because I mean, me and Finn, we caught some earlier in the day, which was nice. You're gonna get ripped around in here. Be careful.
I know.
It's a little rip current.
I don't know why the tide looks like it's going that way and I'm getting completely pushed the other way.
So yeah, we're just popping it through here. This is a good spot. I like this spot. This would be a good flounder spot, I think, along that bank. Huh?
Where is the dock?
It's right behind us, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I don't feel bad fishing here.
Huh?
That's why I don't feel bad fishing here for a while. It's not a far, not a far ride back. I'm just closing today's video. It was a beautiful day. We got some really good fish. No keepers, unfortunately, but that's okay. We had a great time. It's definitely worth the trip, worth the sunset, and the whole thing. Yeah, no, I'll be posting here soon.